Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to change this old headband into this beautiful headband. For this, we want headband and some small scrunchies. To make this old headband beautiful, you are going to use some small scrunchies. Take one color, place it on top like this. So bring this side inside the other side and pull. Next, take the next color, place it here, bring this side through this side and pull. Take the other color, bring this side inside like this and pull. Take the other color, bring it like this way and pull. So likewise you are going to complete them. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, so you'll join these sides, then this side. So after joining them, it looks like this. This last one, we'll put this inside like this. If you want, you can add a glue here. Same way, next, we'll do this in this side. So after completing them, the headband looks like this. The hairband looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.